So, are you planning to visit Laos? It's Laos. You have come to the right place because in this video, we cover everything you need to know before applying for Laos visa and step-by-step application process. Let's begin. Starting with stuff you should know before you do anything. First, Laos provides e-visa to every nationality. Second, a traveler gets single entry visa with 60-day validity. Third, you will get visa in less than a week. Fourth, having a tentative itinerary ready before starting application is ideal. And lastly, you will require soft copies of these things: passport size photo and passport front page. Simple enough? Hope you're taking notes. If not, refer the video description. Moving on to the application process. There are two ways to submit your visa application. You can do it through Atlys or you can do it on your own. Let's start with the Atlys way. The link to apply for Laos e-visa through Atlys is in the video description below. When you click on that, you will land on this page. On left hand side, you will find all the important information, the visa type, application process, FAQs and more. Read through the same and whenever you are ready, start your application. The platform will ask your departure date and once you confirm the same, your application will begin. From there, all you need to do is to sit straight when we click your picture, to steadily hold front page of your passport and some details about yourself and your travel plan. Once you have done the same and paid the government fee, you will be set. You can easily track your application by downloading our app. The app will reflect your visa on the promised date and time. So, was it easy? Let's show you how the same will look like when you do this on your own. Head to this website. Now when you click on apply, you will land here. Quickly verify yourself and click on next. When you do, your application will begin. The application will be a one-pager with sections. First, we'll ask you to upload your documents. As you scroll, the next will seek your personal details. Further down, your passport information. And finally, your travel and stay details. Once you complete it, click next and you will be taken here to review everything. Double check everything now, you won't get the option to make corrections later. If all looks good, make the payment. The fee is $51 as you can see. Once you do, the process will be completed. Now the embassy will take a week to give a decision. If approved, you will receive your e-visa over email. It will look like this. Now we are through with the process. If you still have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. That's all from us. We hope that you receive your visa soon. This was everything you need to know about the tourist visa application process of Laos. We will be back soon with another episode of How to Visa with Atlys. Till then, explore more guides as well as our vlogs to draw inspiration for your future adventures. Travel safe. See you soon.